Play guns only challenge with hashtag
ABCD Gaming. This is Vipin.
That guy just started talking.
Say
He's
hi.
doing a promotion letter. What's up, gamer? Even in the spawn island, I only took a grey gun.
So, I didn't take that.
I can hear you, Mike.
I didn't take.
Today we have our
Okay, only grey.
because joining to help us. Real player, okay, where are we going?
We'll go. Holy.
Yachts. Let's go yachts.
Yeah. But we don't get more grey weapons at yard.
Everywhere we don't get grey weapons a lot, we get less only everywhere.
Yeah, let's go. I jump.
Even me. I can see a small, what do you say, a dot next to that yacht. I don't know if it's that moving ship.
I'm gonna glide because I know that I can't reach them without gliding.
You can make it.
I'm gonna glide from now.
Is that moving ship? I don't know. Yo bro, that is that moving ship. You get nice load of
Ship?
that moving ship, Arena. Haven't you heard about it?
Oh.
Like that.
Bro, are mates allowed?
Yeah. Anything other than grey weapons.
Bro, any mates allowed, right?
Heals and ammo is allowed.
Hello?
Heals and ammo are allowed.
Any mates allowed, right?
What?
Oh, every mate allowed.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh yes, I got a great axe. Ooh.
I just put some fall damage.
Oh, there's a green SMG. Why you do this to me?
The return is not next to us.
Oh, Vipin, I found the Deadpool floaty.
Yeah, mark that place.
The last one you needed that, right?
Yeah.
Just come over here. It's the last floaty.
I just got a great axe.
Me too.
Where is it?
Bro, Vipin, can you help me find the other one?
Where's that floaty?
It's above.
Where?
Go up the stairs.
Yeah, I got it. One is underground. Go to the underground of the ship.
Bro, can you mark it, Vipin, please?
Underground. Go underground. You can easily find it. Wait, let me help you.
Underground.
Just break down of the ship. Go to the main part of the ship and break to the down.
Okay. Allowed?
I can't hear you, bro.
Bro, he's asking harpoon allowed.
No one. Somebody we are using it for fishing. On me, that floaty thing.
Okay. Where?
Where I marked That place is like,
I just need one more weapon. Can you find it?
yeah, it's
Can
on
you
top.
tell me where is it?
It's like somewhere
Where
over
top?
there. I'm going to the moving ship. That ship is like very rare to find. It keeps on moving around.
Bro, where? I cannot find it. I cannot find the last trophy.
It is there. I got help from
I'm breaking
someone.
the Deadpool head.
I'm at the power thing. Look what I have over here.
Supply drop.
Yeah, this place, this thing contains supply drop. Yo guys, see what I just got from that supply drop. I can't
Okay,
take it.
bro, but you cannot take it. Ah!
Yeah,
Where is the last floaty? I need that floaty.
it is over there.
I cannot find it. Where? Can't you come and help me?
I don't remember because I didn't find it on my own.
Your friend helped you. I know.
Yeah, that's it.
Bro, see marigold.
Okay guys, go to the zone.
Yeah, wait, it is.
I'm still looting.
I'm finding that floaty. I'm gonna find that floaty and
The
then go.
place where I am is like very rare to find. That's why I came here. I wanted to show my fans, like my subscribers.
That purple.
Over here, there's like, yo bro, I'm very stacked in loot. See this gun?
But you cannot take it.
Yeah.
I don't have an AR yet.
Even me.
Oh, I need that floaty. Where is it? Okay, we will find it next game.
Guys, we have
Okay.
to leave.
I'll take the chopper and come. I'll take the chopper and come.
No, I'm using the boat.
Oh yes, boss. Let's go. I just need that grey boss. Now. There's a llama underwater.
Leave it. Just go to this one.
I'm taking the chopper and going, okay? Okay, I'll go to the marker booth.
Don't use now. We have to build a lot.
I used some mats. I'm going to collect some mats.
Yeah.
I'm very low in mats. Bro, hashtag apps. Don't break that chopper, please.
Who is driving chopper? Stop driving the chopper. You guys are scaring me.
I'm farming mats. Tell him.
Yo bro, I got legendary tag. Star. What else do you want in a game? Okay,
Bro.
I have a great tag for someone. Do you know what is the
I have
range
a grey
weapon?
boss, a grey pistol.
Yeah, even I have a grey pistol. The grey pistol is my long
Grey
range
burst
weapon.
also. I have a grey burst also.
Okay, nice. You have a long range weapon.
I have pistol also. I have tack also.
Yeah,
I'm
nice.
stacked in me. Somebody has
Somebody has what?
I'm carrying cabbages.
You have to leave from here when it's 30.
Oh, sure. I have 15 cabbages.
Nice. I'm searching for an AR. Okay, come, we have to leave to the zone.
Oh, there's a this.
There is what?
A green AR. I need a. Who needs shotgun ammo?
I don't need.
Bro, just imagine we kill a guy who has the drum gun mythic weapons.
Yeah, that's
So
what
what
even
should
I
we do
thought.
then? What should we do then, bro? That would be so bad.
Come to the zone. I'm going to the zone.
Okay, take the chopper, take the chopper, take the chopper.
I'm almost. I am moving to the zone.
Where is the chopper? Can someone tell me where is the chopper?
Our idiotic fellow. He parked it somewhere.
I have 15 cabbages, that's okay.
Hey bro, finding a grey AR is like finding a legendary AR.
A legendary scar, bro, not a legendary
I
AR.
have still 7 more chilies with me. I'm gonna use one now. Okay, that's a chopper.
Bro, can you give me one? Can you give me one? Can you give me one? Bro, our teammate is only taking the chopper. Hashtag app swipey.
Get in.
Bro, pick me up, pick me up. Weapon, 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 pick me up, pick me up.
Get in.
Wait! Okay, I'm in. Go, 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 go.
I'm here, Kankaj. Go to the zone. Go to the zone. Go to the zone. You can fight those guys. I remember of people with minigun gear. Grey weapons. AR tools. Stop driving the chopper. Man, how does this guy alone lose shield?
Don't know. But I have 3 big pots and 14 cabbages.
I am carrying big pot. Drop big pot for me now.
I'll also carry one. Okay, heal it. Bro, we can eat the cabbage.
At last I got a grey AR, bro. Burst.
Whippin, I gave you the cabbage to eat.
Players,
You are not
players.
eating it. Let them be.
He's right in front of me. Killed him. He was a border striker.
Bro, such a nice loot.
Gunshots. North. 23 whites.
Where not?
Yeah, that's what I also dead.
10 players remaining.
Yeah. We have to move to
Bro,
the
just
next
imagine
zone.
if we do this
See how
victory
far
royale
is the
with...
next zone. Get in the chopper.
We have a chopper. We have
Yeah,
choppers.
still.
Chopper. Take me.
Everyone will shoot a chopper now.
Whoa, the zone is it? Grotto. chopper, his health
Oh,
is
bro, that idiot
root
just
is
jumped.
basin.
Hashtag axe. Idiot. He's such a boss.
He dropped his medkit also. He dropped his medkit also. Hands up, hashtag axe Whitey. Hands up. Where are you? Hands up.
Guys, still 2 more players alive.
Okay.
Get her off the chopper. Only 2 players remaining. Stop shooting.
Bro, seriously? Seriously, you're shooting with the SMG.
I wish there's something like Grey Sniper.
No.
Oh, reboot it.
Someone got rebooted.
Shoot. 20 white. Charge. Guys, go down. Be careful, that's a guy with scar. At south is down. Come on, be careful. Anasuman, wait. That guy's real clear.
Okay. Oh shoot, they have the grappler. They're coming to me.
Build.
Okay, boss. He's on me.
On me.
Got him.
Shaking him.
He has the drum gun on this.
Yeah, I know.
Bro, can I take the drum gun, please?
His
Can I
teammate is
take the
coming.
drum gun? Okay.
White.
Knocked him.
After
I knocked him. Yup, another 14,000 XP. Oh, I have max brick, I have max metal.
Nice.
Get shotgun. Bro, they have such a nice tool.
Heal.
Oh, they have such I know, I only killed both of them. Okay, give me a chili.
I'm using the chili and going to zone. Whoa.
Oh, where's that?
Player down. Reboot card. He's going for the drum gun. He's off. One shot.
Got him.
Let's go.